Scientists have nuked them, boiled them, shot them into the vacuum of space, and they survived. These aren't superheroes. They're real animals walking this planet right now. And once you see what some of these creatures can survive, you're going to question everything you thought you knew about life itself. From microscopic creatures that defy physics to ancient predators that outlived the dinosaurs, survival isn't just about being big or fast or strong. Some of the toughest animals on Earth are ones you've probably never even heard of. These are the 10 animals that nature made virtually unkillable. Starting with number 10. Most animals freeze to death. The wood frog freezes on purpose. During winter, up to 70% of this frog's body turns to solid ice. Its heart stops. Its brain stops. It stops breathing entirely. By every medical definition, it is dead. Then spring arrives, it thaws out, and just hops away like nothing happened. The secret: its body floods itself with glucose, basically natural antifreeze, to protect its cells from ice crystals. The wood frog doesn't survive winter. It survives death itself. Number 9. Scorpions have been on Earth for over 430 million years. They were crawling around before the dinosaurs even existed, and they're still here. But here's what makes them truly unkillable. Scientists have frozen scorpions overnight, thawed them out in the morning, and watched them walk away completely unharmed. They can survive a year without food. They can survive being submerged in water for up to 48 hours, and under UV light, their exoskeleton actually glows, which scientists think may help them detect moonlight. Number 8. The naked mole rat might be the most biologically impressive mammal on Earth. They are almost completely resistant to cancer. They feel almost no pain from acid burns or irritants because they're missing a key neurotransmitter. They can survive 18 minutes with zero oxygen, and they don't age the way other mammals do. The weird little finger rat is helping cure cancer. Number 7. Cut this worm in half and you get 2 worms. Cut it into 5 pieces, 5 worms. In one experiment, scientists trained a flatworm to navigate a maze. Then they cut its head off, let a new head grow back. The new head, with a brand new brain, still remembered the maze. We genuinely don't fully understand how that works. If this is the kind of content you're into, hit subscribe. We drop new animal facts and wildlife breakdowns every week. Now back to the list. Because number 6 survived the same extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs. When a massive asteroid slammed into Earth 66 million years ago, crocodiles barely flinched. Their immune system is so powerful that crocodile blood can kill bacteria that antibiotics can't touch. Number 5. The Hydra is a tiny freshwater animal that may genuinely be immortal. It doesn't age. Cut it apart and it grows back. Crush it and it reassembles. It's one of the only animals where old age is not a cause of death. Number 4. The Greenland shark grows about 1 centimeter per year. Some of these sharks are over 500 years old. That shark was born before the Pilgrims landed in America, before Shakespeare wrote his plays. Number 3. The cockroach can survive radiation levels that would kill a human 15 times over. They can live for weeks without their heads. The cockroach will almost certainly be here long after we're gone. Number 2. Turritopsis dohrnii is the only known animal that can literally reverse its own aging. When it gets old, it transforms back into its juvenile form and starts its life cycle over again. In theory, it could live forever. Number 1. The tardigrade, or water bear. It survives temperatures from -272 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. It survives pressures 6 times deeper than the ocean's deepest trench. It survives radiation 1,000 times the lethal dose for humans. And in 2007, scientists launched tardigrades into open space with no protection. Most of them survived. It survives space. Nature has spent millions of years engineering creatures that refuse to quit. They can teach us about cancer, aging, and survival. Which of these animals surprised you most? Drop a comment and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.